It's a hot one today. We're suffering from a bit of a heat wave at the moment in the UK. So it's going to be a quick video this week. I'm just going to cook some lamb chops, some nice fresh lamb chops. So nothing fancy, we're just going to put some garlic over it, a little bit of salt, a little bit of chilli, and that's pretty much it. A little bit of black pepper on it as well. So I'll get the chops and we'll go about getting them cooked up. So I've just lit the Joe Junior. There's no deflector plate in there, so it's going to be a pretty quick cook doing these chops. Right, I wouldn't say the heat's abated too much, it's still 34 Celsius here. But we'll crack on, let's get these done. So there's our nice lamb chops there. So I'm just going to give these a little bit of oil, nothing too much. Just to make them a little bit tacky. That's good enough. Let's get that out of the way. So what we're going to do first of all, I'm going to wipe my hands a little bit. Right, so we're going to put a little bit of salt. We've got some garlic here, chopped garlic, not too much. Right, and next what we're going to do next is put, now this is some rosemary and a little bit of oregano, which I've just chopped up pretty finely. So I'll have a little bit of that on it. Right, so that's the grill's pretty hot at the moment. Well, I say pretty hot. It's only about 350 Fahrenheit. But what we're going to do is just quickly oil up that grate a little bit. Good enough, and then we're going to get our lamb chops on. I'm looking to cook these to about 140, that's Fahrenheit, for sort of like a medium to wellish. Well done. That's cool. Now I've got no wood on there or anything, so the only real smoke we're going to get is off the charcoal. So we'll give those about 4 or 5 minutes either side and see how we're doing. Okay, so there we go. I'm just going to put a little bit of tin foil over those, and we're going to give them 5 minutes to just release some of those juices back in, and then we're going to give it a test and see what they're like. Okay, let's have a little cut in. See what we got. That's more on the well done side, but I'm happy with that. My wife will be happy with that because she likes well done food. Let's give that a taste. That's so nice. You've got a little kick from the chili flakes. You can taste the rosemary. That's fantastic. Well, it was a short video, guys. Like I say, the heat's really hot out here at the moment. I didn't put some lemon on it, but we'll just add a little bit of lemon just to finish it off. I'll see you all in the next video.